right, guys, check it out. We're here with our good buddy G1 looking for his first job, and we stumbled upon Omega, a mechanic shop, and yeah, G1, you ready for this? All right, man, let's go. All right. So the first task was to deliver a part to the mechanic. Pretty simple start.
Well, I gotta assemble this intake on this car, so maybe you can hand me that. Awesome.
And surprisingly, he did well. All right, go get us a 10 mil. We asked for a 10 millimeter and he came back with an 8. Close, but sadly, not close enough. Is that an 8?
That's an 8.
So we sent G1 on his own and kind of went back to the tire. This might be a pattern. Okay, so at this point, he's just kind of wandering around. Looks like he's looking for a purpose. And then he just decides to do an oil change. Stops under a lift, not really sure what he's doing, but hey, at least he's trying.
Got to change your oil every 3,000 miles when you're driving your car.
After a few short moments, I found him underneath a car. Thought he was actually fixing something, but turns out he was just sort of lying there. Yeah, G1's doing pretty good, but yo, come on, man, get up, dude. This ain't nap time. Alright, man, come on, let's go. Alright, outfit change. He's officially part of the crew now.
Hey, G1, can you give me an 8 mil? Yup, that's the one. Thank you. Could you put this on the storage rack?
Okay, so new task, same result. Drops the intake before it even lands to the shelf. But hey, at least he was able to get the right millimeter bolt. Safe to say he's kind of fitting in, even though he likes to give a hug to just about everyone. Let's test out G1's customer service skills. Up comes a customer dropping off his keys.
Hola, buenos días. Necesito un cambio de aceite.
Surprisingly, he just kind of walked off, as if he sees robots all the time.
Thank you.
All right, time for Marco's verdict, aka the owner of the shop. All right, Marco, what do you think, man? Do you think our buddy G1 here got the job?
I think G1's got the job. There's a couple things he needs to work on, like no sleeping on the job.
No hugging?
Definitely no hugging. That's a big no. Guys here hate hugs, all right? But I think overall he did a good job. How much can we pay him an hour? What do you think?
Man, he classifies as a toaster, so you don't have to pay him anything at all, you know?
He's perfect. He's got the job.
All right, yo.
Congrats, man. Congrats.
FedEx guy drops off a part and G1 waves it goodbye. Honestly, not a bad first day. Be sure to comment down below which job you want to see G1 doing next.